There is a 60% tax trap in the UK when you're earning income above £100,000, or between specifically £100,000 and 125k. 60% because not only are you paying the 40% rate between £100,000 and £125,000, but also for every £2 that you're earning, you lose £1 of your personal allowance. So the personal allowance is your tax-free amount at £12,500 roughly. You lose your personal allowance and you lose the sort of start of your income, where that first 12.5k is tax-free. That's now being taxed at 20%. So there's the 60% trap. The big thing to watch out for is that when you're PAYE, your tax code doesn't always assess what's coming forward. The amount that you're taxed through your pay slips will lag, because once HMRC gets the information that your salary is growing up, then it will recalibrate, but sometimes it won't calibrate in time. What does that mean? It means that you might need to make a payment, an additional payment via PAYE, or HMRC adjusts that in your tax code in the following months in the new tax year, which means then you're taxed a little bit more. Sometimes it might be even better to call HMRC and let them know so they can adjust the tax code accordingly. If you're self-employed or you self-assess on top of having this kind of PAYE income, because it could be for a variety of reasons, once you go above £125,000, you're considered a complex taxpayer anyway. Just be careful of that, because then you have to pay that in lump sum through the self-assessment system. Make sure you're prepared and keep a little lump sum aside. You can run various calculations yourself just to compare how much has been deducted versus what's going through your payslip, but don't claim ignorance on it. Then you can utilize those calculations, those costs, and negotiate with your employer so that you can get a little bump in your salary because you know your net is being impacted by the tax.